Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 3a and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then let's tap on this edit icon and let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact. So let's tap on add picture. And here we've got different sections. We can use either the monogram, we can change the font, we can change the color, and the illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online, so I highly recommend to check them. Google Photos, so those which we've got backed up, and device photos, you can tap on the camera and your device will open the camera app or your own gallery, so of course you can choose your own photo. I'll pick something from the illustrations. And basically, all you have to do is to tap on the specific illustration, for example, this one. Now you can change the colors here, or you can zoom them in or out. This is how it works. You can change the position of the photo and position it just like you want to. Tap on choose. And now we have to tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.